Make a what?
We should make a mama farm.
A mama farmer?
This is the daddy farmer.
Oh, that's the daddy farmer.
We should make a mama farm.
Now we need a mama farmer, huh?
He's, but he needs,
A wife?
he needs a mama.
He needs a mama farmer. He just needs one?
He needs a mama farmer.
Yeah.
He needs a mama
Alright,
farmer.
let's see here.
He's a mama farm to keep him calm.
To keep him company? Okay, little man. Whatever you say. She'll go over here.
Circle over there.
She can wear
Shoes.
shoes? Yeah. We'll give her a
What
red dress so you can tell it's a lady farmer.
No, it's going to be a mama farmer.
Yeah, a mama farmer, right. Sorry.
A farmer.
Not just a lady farmer, a mama farmer.
What's a mama?
Mm-hmm.
Is that
He's gonna wear a dress?
She should wear different shoes.
Yeah, she'll have different shoes.
We should paint her
Yeah.
yellow shoes.
She should wear yellow shoes? Okay. Let's give her some legs to put the shoes on.
You should draw some way to keep her the shoes on.
Yeah, and some yellow shoes.
Yellow
And
shoes.
give her some nice heels.
These are good.
Girls' shoes.
Go yellow shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Go yellow shoes.
And how about some hair?
We should give her. We should give her. We should give her some eyes.
You think so?
We should give her some eyes.
Okay.
These arms
Get
are
her.
happy.
They do look happy.
She needs a farmer hat.
She needs a farmer hat too. What color should her farmer hat be?
Green.
Green? Okay.
Her cat will be green. Hat will be green. Hat will be green.
Mm-hmm. There.
They look perfect.
They look perfect.
They grow vegetables.
They do grow vegetables, huh?
She's missing some hands.
Oh, are you going to paint some hands for her?
I will paint some.
You did a good job on his hands. I'm sure you can paint some hands for her too.
Purple hair.
Mm-hmm.
Her purple hair. I want to make the hand and finger on her.
You need some help? You're doing great.
No, I didn't do great.
You did. They look perfect. I don't paint the hands and fingers. You didn't paint the hands and fingers.
I didn't
Here.
paint the hands.
Well, it helps if you use a tiny brush. That's part of the problem there. You need like this little scuba, tiny brush.
Gotcha. We should use the tiny brushes.
Yeah.
You should use the
And then
tiny
she has big
brushes.
claws.
Then
Yeah.
you should use crosshair.
There.
Then you need mittens first.
They need mittens. Is it chilly out there? They need, yeah, they're wearing gloves because they're farmers. And they wear their gloves to dig in the dirt. Mm-hmm.
They need the sun.
Oh, yeah. So their vegetables will grow. A sun. You can paint a sun. That's just a yellow circle. You can do that perfectly.
This is that's
And just make a big yellow circle.
I make that bigger.
Yeah, you can make that bigger, or you could put one right here. Put a big yellow circle right there.
I should make that one big.
Mm-hmm.
I
Good job.
didn't make the sun.
It looks like the sun. Here.
It doesn't.
Let's make it a little bit more round.
Made the little circle will work.
The
That
little circle will work.
the
There.
little circle. Make a little sun.
A little sun? You already have a little one. Little yellow circle.
But that's not sun. That's just a watermelon.
Oh, okay.
Paint a little circle on here.
Right there? Okay, where should it go? Oh, you need some yellow paint.
I just need some now. Just use a little brush
Hmm.
to make. You should make a tiny some there.
Tiny sun there?
Tiny some there.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
cut it a tiny.
There.
There's a tiny sun.
Uh-huh.
Now with the small sun.
No, the small sun.
Let's make the small sun. We should make a little small sun.
Okay.